Okay, you guys, so tomorrow I am dropping the instant ponytails, House of Kiana. These are all handmade with House of Kiana virgin hair. They will come in curly and straight. Let me step away so I can get the straight one really quickly. Okay, so they will come in curly and straight with combs or without comb, depending on how you want it. And so I'm just going to give you guys a quick tutorial on how easy these are to apply. So when it's girls' night out or ladies' night, or you got a quick date or whatever, and you couldn't make it to the hairdresser for whatever reason, you can slick your hair back in a ponytail just like so. And I have longer hair, and I straightened it. I don't want to have to wet it up to show you guys how to apply the curly ones. But if your hair is naturally curly, you could just leave it curly, or you could braid it like I have. If you have my straight textured hair, and what you want to do is once you braid it, you're going to tuck the braid under, and then you want to secure. And once you got that secured, you're going to simply take the ponytail just like so. Then you're going to wrap it under, hold it, wrap it under the other side, and hold it like so. And then you want to take, it's got Velcro, so it will stick. Come around again. Make sure you're keeping this piece separated from the rest of the hair. And then you want to feel and cover the Velcro with the hair that you have in your hand. So you just want to get a feel for it so you can feel it, to make sure you're covering it up. And then once you get that covered, you just pull the remaining piece, and you don't need any Barbie pins or anything. And you want to tuck it. Now I'm doing this blindsided, but you can look in the mirror as you're doing it to make sure that you get it covered up. I'm just going by feel. I can feel here it's probably a little bit showing, but you get the idea. Then you want to make sure, if you have longer hair like mine, you get it tucked all in, and then boom, you ready to go. Instant ponytail. Quick, fast, in a hurry. You didn't have to spend hours in the salon. You just put it on and go. See that? And now we time for ladies' night, time for the date, time for work, or whatever you need to do. Very low maintenance, and it's very easy to take off. So I know when we go to the salon and you get ponytails, a lot of times they either sew it on or either glue it on. We glue it on. It's very difficult sometimes for the clients at home to take it off, but with the instant ponytail, that's not the case. Now, how you remove this is quick as 1, 2, 3. You simply pull it at the base. Bam. And just like that, it's off and ready to go, and you can get you a good night's sleep. You don't have to worry about messing up your hair, because you could just simply slick it back down in the morning, or you could tie this down with a scarf, and then you have your hair molded until it gets frizzy and it's time to redo it again. But yes, these are my instant ponytails. These will be on sale tomorrow. Look at me messing up with the speaking, but these will be on sale tomorrow at 8 a.m. And I'm going to have them from 14-inch all the way to 26. Maybe I'll go 30, I don't know. But for right now, to 26, these are by pre-order, so they will take 2 weeks to construct and complete. The ponytail is made with HouseofQiana virgin hair, And this is the natural color hair, so it only comes in this color, but you can dye it. If you want to dye the ponytail, whatever color you want to dye it, that's fine too. And then will come in the deep wave texture, the straight texture, and also the loose wave texture. And later I'll be adding the kinky curly texture. So that's what we're going to do. And for you guys, hey cousin, how y'all doing? What's up, Lise? Hey everybody, thank you for joining me tonight. So for those of you who missed it or who just joining in, I'll do it one more time. I took my hair and I slicked it back in a ponytail, and then I just took the braid and tucked it with a rubber band. For those of you that have natural curly hair, you could just leave your hair curly. But if you say you already got your hair straight and you don't feel like washing it and wetting it to make it fit the curl texture, then you can just braid it just like I did. So we're going to go one more time for those that missed it. Guess I could show you guys with the straight since I already did the curly. And then I'm going to be dropping a video on this as well. So if you miss it tonight, you'll be able to see the video in the morning on how to do it. This is the straight texture. It doesn't match my hair. My hair is jet black, but it's just for instructional purposes. So we have it here in the braid. Now for the straight one, since my hair is straight, I'm going to take it down and show you how you do this without the braid. My hair probably got a little bit wavy. So I'm going to grip the ponytail, because when I pulled it off, the other one off, it got a little bit loose. So I'm just going to put that back. Now this one has a comb on there. So these are going to come with or without the comb. Some people, the combs irritate them, so you don't necessarily need the comb. So you can put it in the request in the notes when you place your order if you don't want the comb in there. So what you want to do is you take it. Can you guys see? You put the comb in. And then you take this, it's got Velcro, so it's gonna stick. But make sure you're holding it securely. This is the instant ponytail, y'all. No more bad hair days. And if you don't got no edges, hit up that girl that's making the doggone stick-on, glue-on edges, and they got the damn press-on edges now. Get you some of those. And boom. There you go. And so you want to make sure you're holding this. And you can put a little hairspray if you want to. I'm showing you guys without the hairspray because I've already put spray on it when I did the videos earlier on Instagram. So I don't want to add more spray. So you're going to just keep wrapping around. Feel to make sure that you have the Velcro and stuff covered up. I'm doing it blindsided, but you can do this in the mirror. And you don't need any Barbie pins. You just want to keep tucking till you get that last hair under there. And we ready for the party, y'all. Just like that. The instant ponytail. 5 minutes. You'll see my hair is a little bit wavy, but your hair will be straight. Of course, if you're going to leave it down. That came from the braid. And instantly, you have a ponytail. The House of Kiana Instant Ponytails dropping tomorrow at 8 o'clock. As y'all can see, with these COVID numbers going up, the world is getting ready to probably shut down again. So this will be a great thing for you to go ahead and get yours now so that you can put this up and have it. So when your salon shuts down or you can't get your hair done or whatever the case may be, you don't have to be in the quarantine looking crazy, because I can tell you right now, with the way shit is looking, more than likely it's going to be another shutdown. So get your instant ponytail, and girlfriend, sis, you don't have to worry about having the bad hair days. You ready for work, you ready for the happy hour, you ready for the hot date, you ready for the night out with the girlfriends. Just like that. Excuse my eyelash. I put this on myself. You know I don't wear these or put them on. But yeah, I wanted to spice it up for the video. But yes, all right. You can get Kiana right at home. So these go up on the website tomorrow. The video is coming out tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in. I love you all. God bless and goodbye.